Okay, we've got the patio almost finished up and wanted to kind of show you some of the highlights. We put the circle on the bottom, and it is a 15-foot diameter, and then each leg of the circle goes to the corner of the rectangle part of it. And we put, the customer wanted the black border, and so what I came up with was a step system, and we put, I don't know if you can see it with the video, the lighting's kind of weird. We put a block wall underneath the step. So originally the homeowner just wanted to do a flat patio, and because of the slope, I suggested doing a step down, and it just works out a little better. So the top edge, he wanted 3 inches above grade, and then we put a 5-inch step in. When it's all finished up, this will be graded out onto the grass, and then either sod or seeded. Put the drainage system in with a pop-up down at the bottom for the downspout. And here, where the corner of the deck went over the downspout, originally we were gonna put the start of the patio back here, but there were a lot of trees and these very large roots were all through here, so we needed to push it over a couple feet, because all those roots, when they rot, will just sink and it'll literally break the edge of the patio. Also wanted to show you the lines. We got the lines to match up real well, and everything came out pleasant. It's been a hot, sunny bunch of days. I don't think I've ever been this tanned, but it did come out good, and Chris and Rayanne will really enjoy it. Actually, her name is Ryan, but they'll both enjoy it. Okay, thanks.